Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can make your own YouTube logo. Now keep in mind, you don't really need to pay for any Photoshop or anything, so this is completely free and it doesn't even take that much skill to use. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is open a new tab and go to this website. It's going to be in the description. It's going to be called PIXLR Old Editor. It's going to take you here and it's going to say to enable flash, please click here. Just click on the word here and just allow it. There you go. Now what we should do is create a new image and make this transparent. Alright, perfect. Now next thing you want to do is that you want to open a new tab again and go to the font. If you guys don't know what the font is, basically a website where you can download different fonts. As you can see right here, there's a bunch of theme like fonts over here, like old school, or short horror would actually fit really well for logos, at least in my opinion they do, even for this season, or not season, oh no, yeah, season or holiday, whatever you want to call it. So if you guys want to download it, what you can do is just click on the download button. So I think I'm gonna get this one, Friday 13 one. It's gonna be a little zip file. You can just click on options and open. And what you should do is find the one that says, I think it's called True Type Font File. Oh, this one right here, Open Type Font File. So I'm gonna open this one, and now it's gonna give me this. And what you can do is just click install right here, and it will install it to your computer. Now you might have to, exit out of PIXLR editor a couple of times for the font to show, but for this video, just so I don't wait like 20 years, I'm just gonna use all my other fonts that I have. So I'm gonna exit out of this. Alright, so now you have, a blank image. You just click on this little type tool. It's the one, it looks like an A, and then just click anywhere, it doesn't matter. Just gonna make this the letter C for candy. And then what you can do is that you can pick your font. I'm gonna pick this font. This font looks cool. You want to bring the size up. Also, you can use screw wheel to zoom in and zoom out, but remember, there's like a little percentage thing. So when you zoom too in, the percentage goes up, or you can go down just like that. Now you can use your move tool. Our move tool basically makes it so we can move a specific layer. So this type font is a layer, so we can move it around. We'll put it in the middle right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the image tab right here, and I'm gonna go to image size. I'm gonna uncheck this box, and I'm gonna put it 512 by 512 right here. Now 512 by 512 is like the best resolution you can give, because if you want to have a logo for Steam, for Discord or anything, 512 by 512 would be the best one. So I would say you pick that, put your logo in the middle. Now this is where things get juicy. So you go, click a new layer. Now let's pick a background. Let's see, let's just pick a galaxy background. You can make it as HD as you want, so you can put 4K right here, 4K image. Should probably not be using Microsoft, but man, maybe not this one. There you go, this is a good one. Perfect. Now we're gonna go to edit on the top right here. Actually, is it? No, it's layer right here, layer. My bad. So you go to layer, open image as layer. Then you can click on your background. There you go. Now this is where you go to edit, because we already have our layer selected, so you can just go to the edit over here. You can click on free transform, and now you can move around and change this. What you should do is that you should hold shift and then bring it down so you don't mess with like the resolution or whatnot, because if you, let's just say if I let go of shift, it just turns into this wonky little thing. So just hold shift, and there you go. Perfect. I'm gonna keep it like that. Now you should click out of this box and press yes. Perfect. Now you have your background. Now since our letter, it's literally in the back layer of this, you can click on where this layer tab is, your letter, and you're just gonna click and drag up like that. So now your letter is in a higher layer than this. Alright, perfect. Now here comes the fun part. So let me go to Google. That's not how you spell Google. So let's search up galaxy background. Alright, let's see what galaxy background looks the best. Is this a good one? No, let's just, no, yeah, let's just go this one. This one's perfect. So just save this. Alright, so what you want to do is that you want to repeat the same process you did for the background. You go to layer, open image as layer, you click on your background, there you go. Now again, you do the same thing, click on edit, free transform, but what you should instead do is make it small enough so it can like fit right on this letter like this. You guys gonna see why in a sec. You can make it as big as you want, really, as long as like it's on top of the actual letter. There you go, just like that. Now what you should do is you should click on your C layer, you're gonna right click, and it's gonna say a vectorize layer. There you go. And is there anything else we need to do? I don't think we do. Okay, perfect. So what we should do is click on this little magic wand right here, and since we have our C layer selected, we can just do this and it will create the shape. What you should do is you should insert selection, and you should go on your layer that's in front of the C and just click escape. Now as you can see here, now they are the background layer, it's now a shaped of the C layer. Now let me fix this. If you've done any mistakes, you can go in your history right here and you can just go back. What I did wrong is this little piece right here, so let me fix that. So let's see. Oh no, I forgot to press C layer. Alright, for this, since these pieces are separated, I need to hold shift. What shift does is when you're using the wand key, it makes it so you can select multiple things like that. And then again, you insert selection. And there you go. Perfect. Alright, perfect. Now what you should do is that you can tick this if you want to. I don't really tick it off, your C layer. I just keep it on. But what you can do is you should right click on your layer right here, not the C, not the letter you picked, but like the one on top of it, and you should click on layer styles. Now layer styles is like probably the best feature when it comes to making your own logo, because you can do things like this outer glow makes it so, you know, it basically has like an outer line to it or whatnot. Inner glow is just the opposite, really. If you have this thing, which looks cool, inner glow, which gives it a shadow from the front, and drop shadow is shadow from the back. Now, what we should do is so you should pick two colors for your logo. The best ones, in my opinion, will be purple and white. And you're gonna see why in a sec. So I'm gonna click on outer glow. I'm gonna make this thick as I can. I'm gonna make it white like this. Perfect. Now I don't think we need to see logo anymore, so we can take that out. Now I'm gonna go to my edit. Remember, if you want to make anything bigger, just go to your edit right here and just click on free transform. Actually, I don't think I can make anything bigger. If I do, then it's just gonna mess with it. So I think I'm gonna keep it like that. Alright, so we're not done yet. Obviously our background and everything looks a little bit weird. So to make it better, you just go to adjustment and you basically just mess around with these things. So you can go your brightness and contrast and you can mess with this so it looks a lot better. Like this. There you go. This is the best part right here, the saturation or whatnot. Also, if you have a purple, I suggest to make it purple actually. If it's already purple, then don't touch it. You're gonna see why in a second. So I'm gonna make it this. Actually, let's go back. Let's give it a different purple. There you go. Now we can do the same thing to this letter. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. You might be thinking, wait, this also doesn't look good. Well, there's a feature called, I think it's called, what is it called? Cross process, and it basically does this. Yeah, it makes a letter looks 10. Well, everything looks 10 times better. So let's see. So we didn't have the right amount of purple there. That's why it looks a little bit weird on the background. So we're gonna change this again. Alright, looks a lot better. I like it. So what we can do is we can go to here, just do the same thing. Oh no, wait, I forgot to change the thing. Two of this. And now cross process. Now look how 10 times better that looks. It looks a lot better than this, that's for sure. So now you have that. You can go back to adjustment and change on things like this exposure thing. So if it looks like a little bit too dark, you can go to exposure right here, make it a little bit, just pick it on 15 or whatnot. I'm gonna keep it like this actually. Now you can go to filters. Filters is also helps with things. Like there's this thing called shift tilt. Shift tilt makes it so that it only shows a thing that you want to like specifically show. So you see here it blurs out the bottom and the top, but keeps the middle, like this. This is actually really good for logos. If you want people to focus more on what's happening in the middle and not on the outsides. You can also use this little thing right here. You can lighten up things. I don't know if I should put it or not. I'm not sure actually. I'm gonna take it off because it takes off the detail of right here. But there you go. This glow thing is super useless. I wouldn't use it at all. And yeah, you can just mess around with this. I don't touch any of these blurs because there's already like a better blur. This tool right here, it makes it so everything from the corners darkens, which I think is pretty cool. I'm gonna keep it on the best one is like 10 or 5, just like that. Beautiful. Oh, that looks a little bit weird. It's a little bit too light. Speaking of too light, you can go to adjustment and go to curves. what curves does is that you can mess around with a specific color of what's it called, of the background. So I can do this, the bottom, I can mess with the bottom piece, and then the top piece, and then this piece right here, and then this. I'm not gonna mess with it because I don't want to mess with the detail of it. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I don't think you can really do anything with this. Actually, can you? I think you can. Oh no, yeah, you can. You can do this. You can add an inner shadow of your background. I like it. It looks pretty cool. Now you can do the same thing with your logo right here. You can layer styles. Ooh. You can mess with this thing right here if you want. I'm just gonna take it off. Real weird. Ooh, drop shadow. You can add drop shadow so it does this thing. I think that's pretty neat. I like it. I don't mess with the size because it just makes like there's like a weird shadow in the middle. So I just keep it like this. And I don't know, it just looks more like a logo. You can keep the opacity, this opacity thing. You can change it if you want to. So I can keep it like that. Darken it a little bit. And there you go. There's our logo. It's not the best logo, but you can work your way up. Maybe because I didn't pick the best font. Can I even change the font? Oh no, I can't because the what's it called? Never mind. But yeah, this is our logo, and I don't. It just looks pretty cool. I like it. It's pretty nice. After you're done, you can go to File, click Save, name it something. I'm gonna call it C. And the format, you should make the format PNG just so it's transparent and it's full quality. I don't think some things would work on JPEG. Not just that, but PNG is the most popular one. Click OK, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. I think all you need to do is go back to your channel, click on this little edit profile picture, and yeah, you just do the rest. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see if I can post more. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing more Roblox videos, but yeah, if this video gets let's just say 10 to 20 likes, okay, fine, 15 likes, and I'll do Roblox. I'll do a Roblox stream. Okay. Maybe 15 likes isn't that hard, but hey, it's whatever you guys want. I'll also send something in the community tab if you guys want to see that out. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.